We're going to be working on a 1934 Ford. This belongs to Roy. It's got a 355 Chevy engine. Take a look. It's a really nice car. Very well built. Aluminum radiator. Suicide doors. Interior looks very comfortable. And very nice car. We're going to be working on the exhaust. It presently has a 2-inch exhaust on it, which is not really breathing real well for the horsepower. And the other problem is that it sets too low, and here in a minute you'll be able to see on the underside. When you look in the engine compartment, the 2-inch pipe is going under the oil filter, and we're gonna see if we can get that tucked up and bring it around the filter to get the height, ground clearance. So we'll put it up in the air and take a look, see it. The car sits very low, and that is one of the problems with pipe. The pipe on the passenger side is hit and has a ding in the pipe, but you can see where the pipes are setting down very low through here. The over the axle pipes, or what should be over the axle, have gone straight back there, and we're gonna go up over the axle and get them where they belong, and hopefully gain a lot of ground clearance. It'll be a challenge because we're running 2.5-inch pipe, and the car does set low, and the way the frame is built to the body, there's not a lot of space to put to get the pipe in there, but we think we can make some real improvements on it and get it to breathe a lot better. As you can see, the pipes were not run over the axle, which is a ground clearance problem when you're, especially if you're looking underneath the car. We're going to be going up over the axle. The other thing is these glass packs, the packing is gone out of them, and the car is very loud presently, and we believe we can get a lot better sound with a different style of muffler. And so you'll be able to get a look here when we get it done and see how it looks. Okay, the system is installed. The area around the oil filter that we talked about, we've got the pipe is moved up and we have clearance. Roy has a chrome cover that's going to go over that, and it'll allow space for that. Clearance around the areas that need be. And on the passenger side, this area here, we brought this pipe up. It is now higher than the oil pan, so we've got good clearance here. And as I said before, we've run this in 2.5-inch exhaust pipe. It had 2-inch on it. It should breathe a lot better. And we'll come around to the back here. We've put a chambered style of muffler in, and we use a southern style of exhaust hanger. These work real good on this application because the clearances are so tight and they have versatility in how you use them. We've run the pipes up over the axle. Before they were down below, and we wanted more clearance. We don't want to see the system. So we've gone up over the axle and then put stainless tips. These are angle cut, rolled edge tip. And they look really sharp, and we'll start it up here in a minute and you can see what it sounds like.
and it should breathe much better with a 2.5-inch exhaust. And we thank you for Roy Freeborn bringing his car here, and it was a nice car to work on.